फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कोड ब्लॉक्स। सो इसके पहले वीडियो में मैंने बताया कि पैलिंड्रोम नंबर क्या है, पैलिंड्रोम नंबर को कैसे हम जावा में और सी में एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और इसको कैसे मतलब इसका आउटपुट मतलब कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं पैलिंड्रोम नंबर है या नहीं है, ठीक है। अब इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा पैलिंड्रोम नंबर इन गिवन रेंज, दैट मीन आपको एक रेंज दिया जाएगा जिसका लोअर लिमिट होगा और अपर लिमिट होगा, ठीक है। और उसके बीच में आपको जितने भी पैलिंड्रोम नंबर है और पैलिंड्रोम नंबर मिलेगा उसको आपको प्रिंट करना होगा, ठीक है। मतलब आपको रेंज दिया होगा और आपको सिर्फ पैलिंड्रोम नंबर कितने हैं वो सारे पैलिंड्रोम नंबर को प्रिंट करना होगा, ठीक है। तो चलिए प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं। और पहले में हम इसको जावा में सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके बाद सी में सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। Now comes to coding part. Okay, so basically I already created the main method. Okay, so first of all we have to take user input for lower range and for upper range from user. Okay, so for that purpose we have to take the scanner class. ठीक है, new scanner system dot in. Okay, so system dot out don't println. Okay, so we have to take user input. First of all we have to print enter lower limit. Okay, so enter lower limit for user interface, and now we have to take integer low is equal to sc dot next integer. Okay, next integer. And now just like before we have to print another interface system dot out dot println enter high range. Okay, the higher limit now integer high is equal to sc dot next integer. Okay, next integer. And now we have to create a function. Okay, the function is palindrome range. Okay, and we have to pass low and high as a parameter. Now we have to create our function. So function static that returns void, that means that is nothing, so we have to return type is void, and then the method name palindrome range, and then we have to put our parameters integer low and integer high. Now we have to create a for loop. Okay, so for integer I is equal to the starting is from low and it ends less than equals to high. Okay, and high plus plus. Now we have to create another function that will check that the numbers that start from low are palindrome or not. Okay, so if check palindrome, check palindrome. Okay, and I pass I as a parameter, and if it is one more thing, if it is an palindrome number, that we will to treat that number. So system dot out dot print I, and then we have to concatenation it as a single space. Okay, now we have to create our last method, and that is static, and its return type is boolean. Okay, so boolean, and then write method name check palindrome number, and define our parameter that integer n as an input. Here we have to check our number is palindrome not. Just earlier video I told you how to check. Okay, just like that we have to create a variable reverse that is equal to we have to initialize with 0, and that later we have to take another variable integer temp that initialize with n. Okay, n that means input, that means we have just copy our input, and that will stored inside the temp variable, and then we have to take a while loop while temp not equals to 0. Okay, until our number is not equals to 0, then we have to find each of the digit of the one number. So for that purpose we have to create a variable integer reminder, and that will store each digit. Okay, so that's why we have to perform 100% temp modulo 10. It will gives each digit. Okay, Now we have to redefine reverse is equal to 10 into reverse plus we have to add the remainder. Okay, and now we have to reduce our number. Temp is equal to temp divided by 10. Okay, now last of all our method has a boolean, return type is boolean, so we have to return either true or false. For in that purpose we have to check that our reverse number or our n, if it is equal then it returns true, or if it not then it returns false. Okay, so return n one more thing, reverse double equals to n. If it is if reverse number and the original number is same, then our number is palindrome number and return is true. And our in if method, check palindrome method, will give executed and our number will be printed in the, okay, it will be printed. So now and if it is not, then it return false, and that our if does not execute and it will not print. Okay, so let's go and check output. Okay, so we have to put our lower limit. Lower limit is suppose I will put at 10. Okay, and the upper limit is 200. Okay, so you can see that this is our all palindrome number 11, 22, 33. In this way 191, that means the lower limit is 10 and the upper limit is 200. So we have find all the palindrome numbers in our given range. Okay, सो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. एंड अभी तक अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए. ठीक है, सो दैट्स ऑल.